Hello my friends, this is my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. If you want to make money like me, easy and fast. You see, Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. Actual first date and first time, 22 June, 24 years. You see my friends. And let's go, I want to show you how work a real working hack. Go to the Opera browser, go to the Google Chrome, go to the 1xBet official website, 1xBet, 1x Games. You see my friends? And first link, this official 1xBet website, 1xBet.com all games. Press this. Yes, you see 1xBet official website, all this real. You see my friends, and let's go to the extensions. I show you how I install developer mod and install, load, unpack it, Apple Fortune hack for 1xBet. This is my links, developer Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet. You see, this is me, my hacks. I install, and let's go. I want to show you how work Apple Fortune hack for 1xBet official website. Turn on sound. Place a bet for my money, $55, and look how I win money, guys, today. You see, my friends, you see where good apples and you see where bad apples. Press on the good apples. Yes, you see, my friends. All this real and work perfect. Take winnings. Yes, you see, I win money. It's work perfect, you see. It's amazing. Go to the 1x Games, and I show you how work hack for Thimbles game. Go to the Thimbles game and place a bet. And look how work hack for Thimbles game, guys. You see 1xBet official website, also surreal. Thimbles upstairs, and you see where's the ball. You see? Yes, press this. Amazing, guys. It's work perfect, it's amazing. You see my balance. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and first time, 22 June, 24 years. You see, my friends? Press confirm, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit, guys, and my money withdraws. If you want to make money like me, guys, write me in my official Telegram channel. Yeah, you see, my friends. Status approved, guys. Bye-bye. See you later.